All right, today we are doing Lesson 3, Greatest Common Factor Notes. Okay, so you are going to need your factor chart today. The greatest common factor is the greatest number that is a factor of two or more numbers. This is also known as the GCF. So just like least common multiple, you're looking for numbers, in this case factors, that both numbers have in common. Instead of looking for the lowest one, this time you're looking for the biggest one. Okay? So how to find the GCF? The first thing you do is list all of the factors of each number. You can find all of the factors on your factor chart, so you are welcome to use that. Step 2, circle the common factors. So you can see over here we listed the factors of 12, listed the factors of 16, circled all of the common ones. Then step 3 is just to find the greatest number that you circled. That one is the GCF, or the greatest common factor. In this case, the greatest common factor of 12 and 16 is 4. Okay, so we're going to do a few examples together. Example 1 is find the GCF of 24 and 30. Okay, so I'm going to copy down each number. I'm going to use my factor chart to help me. So remember, we're giving you these resources. Even if you feel like you know the factors of 24 off the top of your head, check your factor chart just to be sure. So our factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Okay? Then I'm going to go ahead and find 30 on my factor chart, which is right here in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Okay? Now, step 2, I'm going to circle all of my common factors. So 1, 2, 3, 6, and that's it. So my greatest of the common factors is 6. So the GCF of 24 and 30 is 6. Example 2, find the GCF of 20 and 25. Okay, so step 1, I'm going to list all my factors. I'm going to check my factor chart. My factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. My factors of 25 are 1, 5, and 25. I'm going to circle my common factors. At step 2, I have 1 and I have 5. Therefore, my greatest of the common factors is 5. Example 3, find the GCF of 14 and 56. Okay, in case you didn't notice already, your factor chart does have a back side. It goes up to 100. So to find the factors of 56, you need to flip it over. You'll find it on the back. Okay, so my factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, and 14. My factors of 56, when I flip that over, 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, and 56. So I'm going to go ahead and circle my common factors. 1, 2, 7, and 14. So my greatest common factor is 14. I'm going to move this over a little bit. For example 4, find the GCF of 98 and 80. Okay, so you'll find both of those on the back of your factor chart. The factors of 98 are 1, 2, 7, 14, 49, and 98. Okay? The factors of 80, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 16. I'm going to move to the bottom here because I have more to go. 20, 40, and 80. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and circle my common factors. I have 1 and I have 2, and it looks like there are no more in common. So my greatest common factor of 98 and 80 is 2. Okay, go ahead and flip your page over. Just like with least common multiple, we're going to practice finding the GCF of 3 numbers. So I am going to look for the greatest common factor of 48, 36, and 60. So my steps are still the same. I'm going to list all my factors first. So 48 is back on my front side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and 48. My factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. And my factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. So quite a bit to look through. We're going to go ahead and circle all of the ones that all 3 have in common. So they all have 1. They're all even numbers, so they all have 2, 3, 4, 6, and the last one they have in common is 12. I'm going to double check. There's no more that they have in common, so the greatest common factor is 12. For your you try, you are going to find the GCF of 54 and 36.